So, what we read in the upper paragraph, now let's see. So, officials of Sultan Muhammad Tughlaq. Officials means like who the people were working, like they were rank on governor, etc. So, how they have been appointed by Muhammad Tughlaq. Now, Sultan Muhammad Tughlaq appointed Aziz Kumar, a wine distiller, and Firoz Hazam, a barber, and Manka Tabak, a cook, and two gardeners, Ladha and Pira, to high administrative posts. Ghiyasuddin Barni, a mid 14th century chronicle, reported their appointments as a sign of Sultan's loss of political judgment and his capacity to rule. Means is that people generally maybe they have this kind of thinking that if they are protecting these poor one, they will be the more faithful for them. So behind this can be the cause of criticism even, and this can be the strategy of the ruler. So it has happened in the history. Now, like the earlier Sultan, Khalzi and Tughlaq monarchs appointed military commanders as governor territory of varying size. Governors, they commanders as the governors and of territories of varying size. Territory of varying size accordingly depend on the areas. These lands were called Ikta, means when they appointed on particular territories the people, the land was called Ikta. Remember, these terms are very much important. Ikta, and their holder was called the Iktadar or the Makti. Three word we have read there: Ikta, Iktadar or Makti. The duty of Maktis was to lead military campaigns and maintain law and order in Iktas. Iktas means land. Land, you can understand particular area, territory where these people were appointed, means Maktis or Iktadar. So their duty was that to maintain law and order to that area. Another term, in exchange of their military services, exchange of their military. Every word is very, very much important to focus on that. Exchange of their military services. Maktis collected revenues of their assignment as salary, means whatever they collected the taxes from them, it the assignments of salary, the salary was dependent on that. They also paid their soldiers from these revenues. Control over Maktis was most effective in their office, was not inheritable. Inheritable means it was not that the what kind of rank he is getting, his son or generation will get the same. It, and if there was assigned iktas or short period of time before being shifted, these harsh conditions of service were rigorously imposed during the reign of Alauddin Khilji. Means Alauddin Khilji, if you see that he was a very ambitious person, because you people have watched the movie, so sometimes the characteristics automatically of his character come up in your mind. But what the history says about him, it is that he was very ambitious person. Ambitious means he wanted to be an Alexander, second Alexander. Why? It has because he was very ambitious and he wanted that he would be only one of the victorious person of the world. So his ambitions was very high, and for that he did not believe on his own servants, on you can say the governors, or very few were there to whom he believed. So that's why stagnancy was not there. He changed the people, Maktis or Iktadar, from time to time, because if they people are ruling at some place for a long time, for a long time a person is ruling, what will happen? He will be familiar for that here, and he can do some conspiracy against of him. So generally in hereditary means it was not, you can say people were not having any right that they means they have the stagnant post of them. So Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq, accountants were appointed by the state of check an amount revenue collected by the Magdis. Means accountants were appointed, means how the tax collection was there, and by the state to check the amount of revenue collected by Magdis. Care was taken that Maktis collected only taxes prescribed by the state. Very, very carefully you will read this line. Means they cannot do with their own wish and aspiration. Means only whatever the state order is there, the administration what says they only could do this. And that is kept in required number of soldiers. That he kept the required number of soldiers means a proper check was there, means a system was thoroughly governed by Khalzi. On at that time the system what he started, it was totally dependent, means the honesty should be played a important role in that area. Means honestly the tax will be taken, how and how much is decided by the state. So till here we read about, because we are discussing here the role of slaves, and after slave like in Tughlaq and Khalji dynasty, what the change Delhi Sultanate got. We are discussing here particularly. Okay, take a reading. Thank you.